Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. If you have ever done photo shoot with models, you might have encountered a situation during post-editing that your models have textured skin or pimples on the face. Of course, having this kind of face is completely normal, but many people who get photographed expect or at least hope to have their skin slightly retouched. So in this video, I'm going to show you two very simple steps to make the skin look cleaner and smoother with Lightroom. So let's dive in. Alright, here we go. I will be using my own photo for this tutorial because, well, I guess I am the perfect example with my skin. Now, let's talk about how to edit the photo from this to this. First, don't worry about the colors, I'm just focusing on fixing skin imperfections. So let's go to step 1. First of all, zoom in and select remove to erase any blemishes or pimples on the right side. This is actually the most complex part. But once you're done, the skin will already look much better than before. However, it is not the clean and smooth result we are aiming for. So now let's just select the pimples first and then we will see how it goes. And once you're done with selecting, just click on remove and Lightroom will do the rest for you. Okay, it looks much better than before already, but we wanna soften the skin a little bit more. So now go to masking and let Lightroom recognize the subject. You can choose to edit the whole person, just the face, teeth or any specific part of your model. In this case, we are selecting the face. Then go to effects and slightly drag the texture or clarity slider to the left. This will soften the skin and make it look smoother. Adjust it to your personal preference, but don't overdo it, otherwise the skin might look too artificial, almost like an AI generated photo, you know? But yeah, let's try it on another photo, which I got more pimples. Well, let me see, and here it is, yeah. So, here we go. There you can see, lots of pimples. It's actually perfect to practice a little bit. So let's go to remove again, and now select all the pimples you can see. And yeah, let's do it.
6 months later.
So you can see, it looks already really clean, isn't it? But I don't know if it's necessary for the second step, but yeah, still, let's do it. So go to masking and then let Lightroom recognize your face and just select your face and go to structure and soften your skin.
20 minutes later.
And the clarity a little bit, so here we go. Now, there you can see, it is much cleaner than before. So let's see, this is before, after, yeah. And yeah, very simple, isn't it? 2 simple steps and the skin looks much cleaner and more polished. And well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And hey, it doesn't cost you anything. And yeah, well, I guess it's time to say goodbye again. Thanks a lot. I'm Chunsen. Don't forget me. See you next time. Bye bye.